Start.
Huh? So we start. Dear friends, today we are going to present how one can self-inject painlessly the insulin. First of all, you have to prepare your needle and the syringe, and you have to take one spirit for the spraying over the injected area, and you have to take the vial of the insulin. Once the vial of insulin is ready, then you can collect as per your doctor prescribe. Let us take the case of me. It is 10 unit. That means I have already collected 10 units of insulin from this vial. Once you collect this insulin, you have to release the air by adjusting the pedal of the syringe. So this pedal is movable. By up and down you can see the blisters or air bubbles inside the syringe, and you have to release a small droplet of insulin through the syringe as it is visible in the syringe. Then we will come to the surface. So to prepare the surface, open up the spirit and apply some spirit on the injecting area as you decided. Then pinch up a portion of your belly like this and hold your needle as I am holding now. So as I have directed you that today I am going to train you how one can get the painless insulin. So there is some trick. So this trick is, after pinching your belly, after pinching your stomach, then you have to find the painless area by touching your needle to many part of the belly, and you can feel some of the points are sensible to needle touch, and some of the portions are not sensible to needle touch, and it is the spot that we are looking for. So when we find that unsensible spot, then we will push the needle slowly. So let us try for me. So I have already tested many points, and out of many points I found here is the point where I am holding my needle now. So it is the painless area. That means I am not able to sense any pain of the touching the needle. Gradually the next step is, you have to touch the needle to same area, and gradually you have to apply slight force on it, and after some time you can see the needle is entering to the skin. As my case, it is gradually entering to the skin without any pain. So here I have already inserted the needle and I do not feel any pain. Once it is inserted to skin, then hold tightly to the nozzle of the syringe, then gradually push the pedal. Once the pushing part is over, then pull the curtain and release the needle, and you can find that no pain still felt my body. So it is the process, and only you should remember that only trick point is you have to find the painless area by touching many times to the belly part. Some of the point will very sensible, it will pain to you, and some of the parts are very less painful or even if no painful at all. And you have to find that area and you have to inject the needle very slowly, and finally then you have to release the insulin by pressing the pedal. Thank you for today.